Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about some things you need to be aware of if you're looking for a criminal defense attorney or criminal defense law firm to represent you or a loved one in their time of need. And that's this idea of firms that advertise about a free immediate quote. Okay, well, why do they do that, and why is it so appealing? Because whenever you're charged with a crime, or your mother, your brother, your father, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever is charged with a crime, everyone wants to be able to, wave a magic wand and know what the outcome's going to be and get the best outcome possible along the way. And I say everyone, you may be thinking, well, you don't know what I'm feeling. Side of it. Well, you're wrong. I've been on the other side of it. I've been charged with a crime. I've had to go to court as a criminal defendant. Feeling in many instances because I've been there. I too wanted answers right away. I too wanted to know what my case was going to resolve for. I too wanted to just quote unquote get it over with. Okay, but that is something when you have your future, your freedom, your reputation, and everything you hold sacred to you at stake, it's not going to be that easy. You're not just going to be able to press a button and things are going to go away or get the finality you want. Sometimes the unknown is better than the known. Sometimes it takes time to get the results. A lot of times it does. The results worth having, the results worth keeping, the results that will have a lingering effect on your future do take some time. So understand going into the process that this whole process is nothing about free, immediate. There's really not like that, especially if you want the. Now, why do firms advertise free immediate quote? Well, they know that, right? They know that that's what people think that they need. But how does that help you? How does that differentiate one firm from another? And the issue is more that I have for purpose of this video is not with the free part, it's with the immediate part. Because in order to make that immediate part, to that immediate quote, they have to make certain assumptions. They have to skip over certain things that are to learn about your background, to learn about your family, to learn about your schooling, to learn about your job prospects, where you want to be in 5 years, 5 weeks, 5 minutes, so on and so forth. Because if they're going by this free immediate quote, they're doing one or two things. Either they're using a script that tells them, this case, we don't care about anything else, it's $5,000. And they're going to lump you guys all together with everybody else who's charged with vandalism, with everybody else who's charged with domestic violence, with everybody else who's charged with sexual assault. And ask yourself, is that the law firm you want representing you? Someone that's going to view you the same way the cops are. Someone who's going to view you the same way the prosecutor is. Someone who's going to view you the same way the court might, or the public might, or God forbid, a jury might. The answer should be a resounding no. And what that also says about that firm who's providing these immediate quotes is that they're more concerned with speed and finality than they are with quality, than they are with thoroughness. Now, we're all for being efficient, but never at the expense of the client. Never at the expense of the client's case, never at the expense of the client's freedom or their future. And that's something that we say a lot. A lot of times people will say whether we've had the case for a year, or whether we've had the case for 6 minutes, or whether we haven't even gotten the case yet and we're going through the evaluation process, they will ask me, they will ask our attorneys, they will ask our assistants, how long is this going to take? And we say emphatically, as long as it takes to ensure that you, your brother, your mother, your father, whoever, gets the best outcome possible. So this idea of this immediate quote, this immediate, sales pitch, be wary of it. Take it with a grain of salt, take a step back and ask, is this really the firm you want representing you? What is their reason for providing that? What does that say about their overall body of work when things really matter, when they're discussing the case with the DA and a judge? Are they going to be concerned about immediate results just settle the case, or are they going to be all in for as long as it takes? Hope you found this video helpful about the process or the description of this free immediate quote, how that's something you should be wary of when selecting a criminal defense law firm. If you have any questions about your criminal defense case or the criminal defense case of a loved one, particularly in San Diego, California, feel free to reach out to my firm, 619-295-3555, 619-295-3555. Again, my name is David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. 619-295-3555.